Hi and good evening. My name is Chris Meller, and I'm here to talk about the marketing industry and compare a few jobs that are out there if you are looking to get into marketing like myself. So we're going to kind of go over that today, and I'm excited. Thank you for viewing my video today. So these are the few things I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to start off with an introduction and kind of tell my story. Job opportunities are available. Degrees and certifications that you will need to be a marketer. Salaries, job outlook in the marketing industry, as well as potential challenges, and then a conclusion of my video. So I hope you get a lot of good information today. And for this report, I interviewed Melissa O'Leary. She is the digital media strategist over at Oakland Community College. And I also used a lot of online, a lot of the things you'll see in here are from online and a lot of articles and different things out there. So that's what I used. So introduction. So in the middle here, you see working retail be like it was seasonals, regulars, managers, and customers. I spent 20 years in retail management. So that kind of gave me kind of a window into marketing, because obviously as a manager, I worked with our marketing department at Things Remembered and Bed Bath & Beyond and Media Play and a few other places that I worked at. So that kind of, I always thought that was a really cool industry to be in. But if you look over here at Specs Howard, I did attend Specs Howard School of Media Arts, and I did a certification in TV and radio, and I did work in Detroit radio, and I worked with marketing people at radio stations. So that kind of got me into it also. Macomb Community College was there for my associate degree, which I got a few years back. Rochester University, I currently attend, and I'm taking a lot of my marketing classes and mass communication classes at Rochester, and I will have my degree in 2022 sometime. I did work at Walsh College, and I was actually married, or I'm still married to from my wife Brenda, who was the assistant VP of marketing at Walsh for a time. And then Oakland Community College, I work in the admissions department, but I work very closely with the marketing department, and I help them with social media and a few other things. And then Meller Marketing, I hear about marketing every day, whether I want to or not, because my wife has a home business. She's a marketing consultant and a published author. And so she's really, just listening to her and talking to clients and things like that have really got me really excited about getting my degree in marketing. So I want to talk about three particular job opportunities in marketing with your degree. And you can see the graphic to the right let me move myself over here. The graphic to the right is showing different jobs that you can get. But I want to focus on social media management first. It's one of the hottest jobs right now, obviously with social media being what it is. Every company has to have a social media footprint, and therefore they would need a social media manager or specialist to help them with their social media and their posts and things like that to keep current, because that's not easy to do in this technology changing world, as we know. Something new every day, not like it used to be. I always call them the good old days, where technology took a year or so to get going. Now everything is like super fast. So for any company out there to have a good social media manager to help with those posts and to interact with consumers and to answer the questions and complaints and get all the feedback, that's what the social media manager is there for. And you have to have a passion for it. You have to have a good social media presence yourself to be a social media manager. So that is one of the hottest jobs right now, and the pay is pretty good. And we'll get into salary and job outlook in a few minutes. But and Melissa O'Leary, who I interviewed, gave me a lot of good tips, especially for being certified. And we'll talk about certifications, but really getting up on everything. Take all the free stuff that you can out there with Google Analytics or Google Ads, or get familiar with any CRM, customer relationship management software. So that's social media management is a really cool job to have. Public relations manager, it's similar to social media manager, but you're going to do a lot of press releases, develop those relationships a little bit more with companies, continual communication with like potential clients and people out there. So public relations, PR, it's good or bad, right? And if something is bad at a company, you've got to jump on that like right now. And something just happened, a couple of days ago with, I think it was better.com. The CEO, whatever, fired like 900 people over Zoom. How do you come back from that as a PR person? Good luck. How do you spin that as a positive? So that's in the news right now. If you want to look it up, better.com, I think, is the company, and this guy canned 900 people. So it's crazy. So again, that's where PR really, you got to put out those fires when it comes to that. Marketing manager, they determine the demand for companies and its competitors with products and services. So, they locate potential markets. They collaborate with sales and public relations and product development. So they do a lot of that. And my wife did that a lot at Walsh, talking to different companies, different firms to who's going to handle, different things for the college. And, it's a tough job. All these jobs are very busy and high demand, stress jobs for sure. So I want to talk about education right now. So as you see from the graphic, marketing and education are at a crossroads there. And, that's the street of marketing and education. So bachelor's degree is definitely required. Master's degree is required in some of the jobs out there. Being certified, if you can do that, like Melissa said in the interview, go ahead and get as much certification as you can. There's a lot of free stuff out there with HubSpot and, a few other things. Just Google it and you'll find it. But yeah, definitely a bachelor degree is the minimum to get. So I'm excited about getting mine. So you talk about salaries, and if you look at three in particular that I talked about, a marketing manager, social media manager, and you can see the difference in the salaries as we go from 2016, and it gets closer though, as you can see. Look at that. You're like 25,000 difference, and then you're about 15. So, and that's a newer position, obviously, social media management, with social media not being that old. But again, the pay is good. You could see in most change over the last 5 years, there's positive, what you want to see. And if you look over here for public relations manager, you can really see the uptick going, this is from experience, what you have 2 years or less, 2 to 5, and you could read that. But look at the increase in pay and what you can get paid. So the salaries are very, very competitive and very good for marketing. And the job outlook too is looking good over the next, to 2030, over the next 8-9 years. 10% usually. I've seen some estimates of 13%, but it is a growing market. I don't see it ever changing because of how we live right now, especially with the pandemic, and these companies need good marketing and good promotions, and, restaurants do, everybody does. So the job outlook is looking really, really good, in the industry. There are some challenges, with marketing, you see a lot of trends out there, but is it a trend? Is it a fad? As a marketer, you gotta have to, decipher that. So you have to have that head smart to be able to do that. Burnout is very, typical in marketing. It's very high demand and high stress sometimes. So, there's a lot of people retiring also. Some of the older, marketing people and a lot of young people are, in this field. So, but burnout, does happen. And to specialize or not, if you wanted to pick a specialization in marketing, that's something that you have to ask yourself and kind of see, what area you're living in. And, that's a challenge. You don't know if you want to do that or not. So, it's just things to think about. It's a great quote over here too. And we market ourselves every day. We know that we put ourselves out there. We market ourselves to get a job, and I've always done that, obviously with all the jobs that I've had, and I'm just excited about the marketing industry right now. So in conclusion, it is the career for me. The industry is growing, which I love. I think it's only going to get better, and I am ready to go. I will be ready to go as soon as I get my degree from Rochester. So I'm excited. I hear about marketing every single day with my wife, and it just gets me excited when she's talking to clients and customers on the phone, and I'm ready to take that on. So thank you for watching my video. I really, really appreciate it, and take care, and see you later.